Hello viewers, welcome to your second Pascal tutorial. So in this tutorial we covering variables, and variables are basically just placeholders. For example, I have the value x and assign that value with 5. If we run this in the compiler, the com sorry, the computer will know that x is 5. And suppose we have this. If we run I love x, the compiler will know that x is beef. So let's get straight in our Pascal programming. So as you can see, I already created my Pascal file, and this is the basic structure of a Pascal program, as I mentioned in the last tutorial. So to create a variable in Pascal, you first need the variable and the data type. I will explain data type in the other tutorial, but for now I'm going to give you one data type, and that is an integer. So to create a variable, you first need the keyword var, followed by the name of the variable. So go ahead and name your variable anything you like. I'm going to call my GT. So we assign this variable with a data type using a colon. So integer in our case. So integer is basically just a whole number without a decimal point. So like 8, 5, 100, 1000. So that is like integer. Then we declare the variable inside of the beginning and the end. So a variable is created outside of beginning and the end statement, and a variable is declared inside the beginning and the end statement. So we declare a variable by using a colon and an equal sign, and give that variable a value. So I'm gonna give that variable a value of 7, ended with a semicolon. Remember, every Pascal program is ended with a semicolon. Then, just like how we printed the hello world on the screen in the last tutorial, we can also print variable on the screen. So let's go and write GT. So we don't put a variable in quotes, or you get a error by that. So if we have that, it will not run because we haven't assigned it as yet. It will be a string, so we don't put a variable in quotes. So we run this, compile, running. So as you can see, the computer didn't print out the name GT. It printed out the number. So as I mentioned before, a variable are just used to assign to our placeholder that whole value. So this is the basic of a variable. So let me go a little more in depth about it. So let's clear this. Let's create 3 variables: x, y, and a sum. So we're gonna add 2 numbers together. So we're gonna assign both x and y to a number. Remember, a semicolon and equal sign. File. So about 57. Then use sum, and sum is equal assign the value x plus y, and so let's print this on the screen. Print sum. As you can see, the computer added both of the numbers. So we can do much more with the variable. This is just a the basic of what we can do with the variable. So I hope you understand this tutorial. Again, before we end, Pascal is like non-case sensitive language. It means if you have a common X and a capital X, or a common Y and a capital Y, it will run the same, as you can see. So Pascal is not case sensitive. So in the next tutorial, I will show you how to create a basic calculator that take input from the user. So stay and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and more video will be coming. Thank you.